Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors, and add a new vehicle to the YouTube page, a 2014 F-150 regular cab long bed. This is a 6-cylinder version, really nice truck. It's an XL version that we've got. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. Truck's in really nice shape. One owner, clean Carfax, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Kind of a plain Jane. It's an XL. CD player, airbags, side impact airbags. Eight-foot bed. Got it wrapped around really nice shape. No rips or tears, seats, no holes in the floor, headliner in great shape. Just like a 10,000 mile vehicle should be. There. 6-cylinder, fully serviced. Got any questions about this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886. I'm Nick. Johnny's on the other side of the phone there. Or hit us on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.